Welcome to this episode with the Outdoors with Rich. I got my walking stick. Let me turn around there. I got my wife and son with me today. You see, that's why I have my orange vest on today, because it is still one form of hunting season for safety. I'm wearing the orange vest, and we are going to cook up some sausage, green peppers, and onions. And what's ironic, which is kind of cool or kind of weird, however you want to look at it, is the sausage is from a deer that I harvested out of these woods. We're going to go figure that part out, but we're going to have us some deer sausage, green peppers, and onions. And then I think we brought like some apples and oranges or whatever for just like a little side. We're going to do a day camp out here and have a nice meal, enjoy this hike in and out, and maybe even get the drone up in the air. So stay tuned. Good thing you brought your chicken boots.
Yeah.
Did you get some fire starter? There's like hundreds of birds just landed in that tree right there. There goes some of them. Oh, there they go. I have no idea if I caught that on camera, but that was pretty cool. So you ready to go cut up some green peppers and onions?
Yes, I am.
I asked you earlier and you were like, I guess.
I guess so.
All right, let's go do it. All right, we found a beautiful spot right here along the Suwannee River, kind of splitting the difference between Gilchrist County, Florida and Dixie County, Florida. I'm not sure how far upriver we are, but the Suwannee comes out of the Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia and makes its way all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. Let's go get lunch started. Hey, buddy. You good? All right. Guys, another example of how easy it is to get outdoors. We probably hiked 20 minutes from our truck. We each brought in a backpack. Everything was in it. We were able to cook sausage, green peppers, onions. We got some apples, some oranges. We're out here next to a beautiful river in the middle of the woods, just having a fantastic afternoon. We'll bundle all this stuff up, we'll hike back, and we'll be back by dinner time. So use this as a little bit of inspiration, or let me rephrase and say, I hope this acts as a little bit of inspiration for you guys to get outdoors. Guys, check that out. Now, what's interesting about this, as you remember me, possibly, I think I mentioned it when we were hiking in, we're within 100 yards of where I actually shot this deer and was able to harvest it, get it back to Tampa, get it through the processor, and then have it freeze packed and ready for a day out in the woods. And now we're out here and enjoying it in the middle of Mother Nature. As always, before every meal, don't forget to say your prayers. Are you baking a pie out here for dessert?
Right. Did you bring the Dutch oven?
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me use the chair, buddy.
So I got me, or Ricky actually got me, some dirty water from the river to help put this fire out. We'll do one more. One more, buddy, okay? Beautiful. It's always helpful to have kids with you. Yeah. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode. We appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, God bless. Yeah, this is definitely a place where the water would enter this land when the river's flooded. Anybody want to take a bath?